Okay, we are at the Movenpick in Petra, room 110, first floor. So coming in immediately, loving the fact that there's lots of closets, small bathroom, ooh, walk-in shower, love that. No bathtub to have to climb over. Very clean, looks very new. Coffee, water. The included mini bar, which is just some pop, coffee, tea. Oop. That looks like a queen size bed. The cutest little sitting area I have ever seen. Loving this. And because it's an inside room, not an outside room, our balcony actually looks out over the mezzanine in the lobby area, which is gorgeous itself. So I guess there's a couple rooms that look inside versus outside, which is fine. Hopefully there's no partiers in the night, but very pretty, very cute. And my favorite part of the room is 100% this sweet little raised sitting area.